Hi everyone. In this session, we will be learning the classification of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons are divided into two types: cyclic or open chain hydrocarbons and cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbons. Acyclic or open chain hydrocarbons are the hydrocarbons which are open-ended, open chain, and the cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbons are the closed forms. In this way, acyclic or open chain hydrocarbons are also known as aliphatic hydrocarbons. These are further divided under saturated and unsaturated. Saturated is further divided into alkanes, where alkanes is the single bond, and unsaturated hydrocarbons are divided into two types, that is alkenes and alkynes. Alkene has double bond and alkyne has triple bond. Now moving on to the cyclic or closed chain hydrocarbons, it is further divided into two types, that is acyclic hydrocarbons and aromatic hydrocarbons. Acyclic hydrocarbons are the arrangement of carbons where they do not have double bonds, alternate double bonds. They are closed structure but they do not have double bond. But whereas in aromatic hydrocarbon, it is also known as arenes, where we'll be seeing the double bond, that is alternate double bond. Aromatic example is benzene, where benzene has alternating double bonds. Now moving on to the cyclic hydrocarbons, it is further divided into saturated and unsaturated. Again, saturated is divided into cycloalkanes, that is this one, and the unsaturated hydrocarbons we have cycloalkanes and alkynes, where we have the structure closed and will be having double bond, and here it is also the same, having triple bond.